Here I've got Motorola E6 Play, and let me show you how to check total screen time on the following device. So at first, just open list of all apps, find and select the settings, then go to digital wellbeing and parental controls, and click on show your data under your digital wellbeing tools. And here you've got some info, like for how long you've been using this device today, the display today, but if you click on it again, you will be able to reach further info. So here you've got the stats for each day of usage, and if you go a bit lower, you have information regarding each application. So for example, settings been in use for 18 minutes today and just for 2 minutes yesterday. And if you'll go back, you can check this way each app of yours. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.